Once again, Dave Fremland Live with the Dave Fremland Reality Show for YouTube. This is the San Diego Gay Pride Festival, and this is the moving crowd in a giant wave of homosexuality. I can smell the sex. And I must say, it's rather attractive. I want to say that the overworked gym body of the 90s and the late 80s has gone out of style, and I'm so happy to say that people who are regular dudes that don't go to a gym are now seeming to be the majority. I'm quite happy about that. It's a new development in the gay world. Do you know what I'm talking about? When I was growing up and when I came out as a gay person, you had to have a perfect overworked gym body. You couldn't have an ounce of fat. You had to have about a 2% body fat. Now it looks like there's lots of middle-aged frumpy dudes, and I couldn't be happier about that. I'm actually normal looking in this crowd. Isn't that fabulous? I went through so many years of bad self-esteem because I had a belly. We're gonna